I'm born in Beirut in Lebanon, okay, and studied there, and then moved to Australia, to Melbourne, 17 years ago, and continued my studies and developed my work. Always lived in Melbourne, best city in the world. After Brazil, yeah. There's a family member that my brother was before me. That's made things much easier, if you wanna migrate. But also, Australia has lots of opportunities for education. I wanted to continue my education. I had my bachelor. I wanted to do higher studies, and always seen Australia in the movies. Saying, "Oh, this looks amazing." So certain reasons are personal. Others is more about studies. I have a very mixed batch of things I studied. I studied business administration, and then shifted to studying interior design, fine arts. I did some ceramics. Then shifted to technology and building information modeling, and finished my PhD. As a professional, to me, it's about helping organizations to choose the right track for them. Meaning, my company is not focused on too much growth. It's focused on making its services more specialized, making it better to serve the client. So we're very, very selective on who to work with. I still, I enjoy mostly, if I have time, is to do art. That's really my main hobby. So even if anyone reads the papers, the research papers I do, you will find lots of illustrations in them, colored stuff. Lots of development, lots of improvement. I had a chance to discuss things in Sao Paulo. I went to Campinas, to Unicamp, discuss things with the researchers. But this time I also have the opportunity to go to Fortaleza. So many things have changed in the past 5 years. So building information modeling, or BIM, has lots and lots of benefits. The main benefit is to reduce waste. Okay, and waste would be in many different forms. Could be waste on site, which can be reduced if you're simulating construction before you do it physically. So if you can see how things are built, how it shouldn't be built, when things should be delivered on site, so you're reducing waste. But also about reducing effort over time, reducing the amount of steps needed to get a deliverable. Depending on who you are, meaning are you a designer, if you're a builder or an owner, there are benefits for you, even if you do it on your own without collaborating with anyone. But once designers and contractors or builders or owners and others collaborate and use this together, this innovation, the benefits multiply and become industry-wide. There's lots of them. We can say increasing transparency, which will help to fight corruption. We will say reducing the amount of effort to develop and generate very complex buildings, making contractors join the process early on, rather than as currently is the designers finish and then you give something to the contractors and then they give something to the operator. BIM enables these parties, if they all agree on certain systems, and to work together early on, and by that saving a lot of time from construction and saving on errors, and so reducing waste. I do have a Twitter account. I'm on LinkedIn with lots of now followers. I'm very blessed by that. I'm not into Facebook yet. I need to get into the game. I have a blog. Actually, I have 2 blogs, 2 websites. So if you want to find something about me, there's lots of avenues. I have a YouTube channel, so stuff like that. I encourage everyone, every discipline, every trade, every position to start investigating what's called digital transformation. BIM just a symptom of the move towards a digital transformation or digital future, as we see in other industries. So I encourage everyone, students, teachers, myself, professionals, old, young, kids, pets, everyone, to investigate, to read more about this, to attend conferences like the one by CBIC, to watch videos, to invest time in learning new software, investigating new processes, understanding all these standards. This is the future. The future is happening now.